So today we'll be talking about the best eating outlets frequented by Delhi University students, and first up on our list is Tom Uncle Maggie Point. Established in 1978 and located near Ramjas College of DU, Tom Uncle Maggie Point is known to offer more than 30 variants of Maggie at its stall. Apart from Maggie, one can tinkle their taste buds by eating pastas, sev puri as well as bhel puri. And to beat the heat, students are often seen sipping sodas here. This popular eating outlet at DU is open from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. and the average cost for eating for two people would come around rupees 100. The Big Yellow Door. The next eating outlet on our list is the Big Yellow Door, which opened its gates to foodies in February 2013. Known to cost around rupees 500 for a meal for two, this popular eating outlet for DU students is located at Hudson Lane and is famous for pastas and shakes. Other food items on the menu, which students are often seen munching here, are the cheese bomb burger, butter chicken pizza, and the Big Yellow Door special pizzeria on Beckett. This eating joint opens at 8 in the morning and closes around 11 p.m. Momo's Point. Next up is Momo's Point, located at Kamla Nagar. Famous for its veg steamed momos, fried crispy baby corn, pork fried momos, and egg chow mein. Momo's Point is open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. and a decent meal for two costs around 400 rupees here. QD's. Located at Hudson Lane, QD's is a vibrant hotspot for DU students when they want to cater to their empty stomachs. Open from 11:30 a.m. to 10:45 p.m., the best food items as per students to order here are the tandoori momos, tandoori chicken momos, Chinese chicken chopsy, crispy chili potatoes, and the chicken Manchurian. Students reveal that two people can easily eat tasty stuff for approximately 500 rupees at QD's. Chache Di Hatti. This very old and famous eating outlet is located at Kamla Nagar. Students reveal that at any given day there is at least a waiting of 20 to 25 minutes to gorge into those delicious chole bhature, or should we simply call them sea bags? The speciality of this place is bhaturas with potato or paneer filling, which as per students are something to absolutely die for. Open from 9:30 a.m. to 2 p.m., the average cost of eating here for two people is around 150 rupees. So that's it from us now. Do you know of any other popular eating outlets where DU students often head? Please share the same with us in our comment section. Until then, happy eating!